Hi dear students, myself Dr. Anil B. Naik, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Physics at BLDA's SB Arts and KCP Science College, Vijaypur, Karnataka. Due to this spread of COVID-19, our college is conducting video lectures of practicals, and this is a best opportunity for me to make all the students to learn or understand the practicals from home itself. In this video lecture, I am going to perform an important practical of BSc 6th semester. The title of this practical is Gamma Ray Attenuation using GM counter. And in your practical exams, generally before starting the experiment, you should write title, aim, apparatus, formula, nature of graph, diagram, observations, procedure and tabular column are required for the performing the experiment. So now I will show you what are the necessary requirements for this performing this experiment. So aim of this experiment is to determine the mass absorption coefficient and linear absorption coefficient of the material using Geiger counter and radioactive source. And we need to have the apparatus like Geiger counter system. This is the Geiger counting system, and this is the radioactive source. This is radioactive source, and then this is the GM tube. This is the GM tube. Okay, so these are the three or four requirements. So this is the Geiger counting system, GM tube, and these are the absorbers. That is the material which is going to be used, and this is the radioactive source. So this is the gamma source. Next, nature of graph is to be drawn versus, that is thickness of the absorber versus log I. So where I is the intensity of the radioactive source, and next formula which are going to be used in this experiment are linear absorption coefficient and mass absorption coefficient. Mass absorption coefficient is equal to 2.718 into slope. So slope is equal to mu divided by 2.718 into rho. So where mu is the linear absorption coefficient. So this is how you can calculate the linear absorption coefficient by using density of the absorber, that is rho into mass absorption coefficient. So this is the diagram. This is the diagram of the this experiment, and observations are, so density of aluminum, first one, the density of aluminum is equal to 2.70 gram per cubic centimeter, and second one you need to write down the operating voltage. Third one you need to record the counts for 60 seconds, that is the background counts. So I will explain later how you record the background counts. And this is the tabular column you need to write down. So first column is absorption absorber serial number, thickness of the absorber, so number of counts per 60 second or 50 second, and which is denoted by NC, and fourth column is I naught equal to NC minus NB. So NB is the background counts, so you have to subtract the background counts from NC value. So fifth column is count rate, so you need to convert the I naught into 1 second. So finally you have to calculate the log I. So now you also need to write the procedure for this experiment. So first procedure is keep the source and absorber in the source holder. Keep the source and absorber in the source holder. and absorber tray respectively below the GM tube as shown in the diagram or as shown in the experimental setup. So here I will show you. So this is the GM tube and this is the absorber tray, and this is source holder and this is the absorber tray. Second procedure is the position of the source and absorber. Position of the source and absorber should be fixed till the completion of the experiment. Third procedure is set the operating voltage to 480 volts, which is always fixed till the completion of the experiment. So before going to set the operating voltage, we need to know the important characteristic of GM counter. So this is the important characteristic of GM counter. And here, so this is the graph which is versus voltage versus counts. This is voltage and this is counts. Y-axis is the counts and x-axis is the voltage. And here in this graph there are 3 or 4 characteristic parameters are there. So first one is knee voltage. So knee voltage is the voltage at which count rate starts, and the second parameter that is characteristic is threshold voltage. The threshold voltage is the voltage at which plateau region starts. So this is the plateau region here given in the graph, and plateau region is in this region GM counter always operates. So last one, that is the breakdown voltage. That is the voltage at which count rate suddenly increases. So in this region no experiment is performed.